Hey, what is up guys? John here at Tekmogo. Welcome to the channel. Today I've got something different, but it's kind of the same. Today we're going to be taking a look at the UGREEN HiTUNE T3 True Wireless Earbuds. So in this video, we're going to unbox these, check out the features and specs, check out the build quality. We'll see how they fit, and more importantly, we'll see how they sound, and I'll let you know what I think of them. Let's take a look at the box. It's an all white box here with some UGREEN branding up top. Got a picture of the earbuds front and center. T3 HiTUNE at the bottom there. And these have active noise cancellation. In the back here, we've got some specs and the controls. They're not touch controls, but they are similar to the AirPods where they are pinch to control. If you guys are familiar with that, you can pause the video here and take a look. So we'll go ahead and open this up and see what we get inside. I like the presentation. You got this little pull tab here on the side. So right out the gate, you see you've got extra ear tips, extra 3 pairs here, probably small, medium, and large. Side here, you've got some user manual and a safety guide. I'll have to take a look at these later. You've got your charging cable, USB-C, USB-A, pretty standard nowadays. And let's take a look at this bad boy. Very nice. It's all black, really sleek, shiny black, and it is a fingerprint magnet. The case is similar to the Apple AirPods. You get 3 LED lights here to show your battery life. On the bottom here, you've got your USB port for charging. You got your little button here. I think this is what's used to connect to other devices. And again, it is shiny black. Here are the earbuds. Bottom here, you've got your charging pins. And on the outside, you've got some UGREEN branding, very nice. They look and feel premium. They feel real nice in hand. And they've got a little left and right branding on the stem here. Hopefully you can see that. So as far as the case goes, here is the AirPods. These are the Gen 3s. Pretty similar in size. Pretty similar. Let's do a magnet test. Let's see how strong the magnets are. Let's see if these fall out. Very nice. Very good. They did not slide out. They did not fall out. So they passed the magnet test. And they've got a nice solid click when closing the lid on this. But again, you can see all the fingerprints there. You're going to want a microfiber cloth with you when handling these. I like that UGREEN branding there. Very nice. So again, these are the UGREEN HiTUNE T3s. So these are Bluetooth 5.2, and they've got AAC and SBC codecs. And the actual model of these are the WS106 HiTUNE T3s with active noise cancellation. As far as charging goes, it takes about 1.5 hours to charge the earbuds, and charging the case takes about 2 hours. And then per charge, you get 7 hours of playback on a single charge, and then 24 hours of music playback when using the case to charge. So very nice, decent battery life. Obviously, if you've got no active noise cancellation on, probably lose a couple hours, but nothing too crazy. compare this with my phone real quick. So you got to make sure you got Bluetooth on your phone. Have them nearby, your phone will see it. Hit connect. And you are paired, ready to rock and roll. So let's put these on and see how they sound. All right, got them on. These have the medium ear tips installed from the factory. That is how they look. Let's see how they sound real quick. Let me play something real quick. Oh, these sound really nice. Very clear with nice bass. I wish you guys could hear this because it does really sound nice. The vocals are very clear. I'm playing some pop, but it's got decent bass. I like that. And you know what? My bad. I thought these were pinch controls, but they're not. They're actually touch controls. I could have swore I read somewhere that they were pinch controls. So as far as control goes, a single tap will play and pause. Double tap the right earbud, it'll skip to the next track. And then double tap the left earbud and it'll skip to the previous track. And the touch controls work really good. And let's try noise cancellation real quick. So it says press and hold the right earbud for 2 seconds. Noise cancellation on. Sounds very nice. I can't hear, like my fan is running in the back. I can't hear that no more. Now it's just the music playing nice and clear. And the hum of like the HVAC system, I can't hear any of that. Just nice and crisp audio now. Very nice. I like these. So again, guys, these are Bluetooth 5.2. Battery life on the earbuds, 7 hours of playtime on a single charge, and 24 hours of music playback when using the case to charge. And there goes my other camera. The battery pack has died. We'll stick with this one. So again, here is what they look like. Very, very nice. Hopefully you guys can see that. So they are a stem design. Make sure you guys test out all the different sized ear tips, because everyone's ears are different. And if you don't have a nice seal, it's not going to sound very good. Again, with the medium tips in my ears, they sound very good. Music is very clear. Unfortunately, these do not have like a low latency game mode, but again, I don't really game on my phone, so it doesn't bother me. The sound clarity is very good. So with watching movies, listening to podcasts, listening to your normal music, it sounds very good. And I think for 28 bucks, it is a solid buy. It is a very nice price for the sound quality you get. All right, guys, so that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Some final thoughts. Again, for less than 30 bucks at times, this is a solid pickup. They won't break the bank. They sound amazing. They've got noise cancellation, and I think the noise cancellation works really well. Again, all the background noise, the HVAC system, my fan that's on right beside me, I cannot hear it with active noise cancellation on. And also this has a, what is that called, transparency mode. So if you do need to hear your surroundings, you can turn that on and you will hear your surroundings. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. These are some awesome earbuds. If you want to check them out, I'll put links in the description. Just a heads up, the Amazon link is an affiliate link. So if you use the link to make purchase, I will receive a small commission, and you help support the channel at no additional cost. And it's very, very much appreciated. And if you found value in this video and like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that like button, because it really does help out the channel. And while you're at it, hit that notification icon so you're notified anytime I post a new video. As always, I'm John at Tekmogo. I'll see you in the next one.